We are in Leicester. How can you say it? Leicester Square.
No, not Leicester Square. Leicester Square.
You know where I'm going. I show you where I'm going. Hello everyone. Good morning here in UK. It's 7:20 in the morning, February 12, 2026. I just woke up. Look at my view. So the weather forecast for today. Here we are here in Orpington. Oh, 7 degrees. And it's cloudy, rain. You see how cold? Time check. It's 8:25 in the morning. Our friend has a nice house. So this is the garden area. So let's see what we're going to do today. Okay, we're out again and it's drizzling and then stop. We're gonna have lunch with Duncan's family. First, we come here in charity shop. The Daylight Inn in Petswood opened in December 1935, designed in a neo-Tudor style by Sidney C. Clark. It was named to honor William Willett, a local resident who promoted daylight saving time. I'm still wearing my same coat because I only have one coat that I'm gonna wear for 7 days. Huh? Daylight in. Here. Get in. Look. Ah, yeah, we've been here before. And we sit somewhere there. I'm gonna sit in this end, yeah? Oh, it's very nice here. Cozy. Can you repeat why they call it daylight in?
Daylight saving. And the clocks get moved backwards and forwards. Winter, summertime, winter time.
Oh, I remember.
The guy that instigated came from this area.
I remember Maria saying the clock moves.
So the clocks go forwards at the end of March. I think it's March. And they fall back in autumn, which is October.
Okay. Nice to know. Menu here, they have hand fish and chips. I'm gonna order fish and chips. Monday to Friday, 12 to 6 p.m. Oh yeah, they serve this. Okay. And they have pizza for sharing. Burger. Nacho. Look at that. Good menu. Look at there. Wow, the cocktail is 14.50 for two. Menu. They put the calories of the food that you're going to eat, so you know how much you're gonna eat. See? Oh, this is nice, no? It's not the allergen, but the calorie. Duncan mushroom.
Yeah, he came up. Well, one of the guys came. Yeah. Oh well.
Look at that.
Yeah, he's creeping over
What is
already.
it?
It's got to be photographed.
Drunken. I'm thinking it's swimming in oil, like gambas pilpil. So been to the Daylight Inn, and it's raining hard now. Are you here? Okay. Yeah. What is it?
What?
What did you say?
Duncan said we've got to get a picture.
He said we're going to come in for a minute.
Okay.
No, don't say that.
Took ages to set the camera up.
That's in the video, and then say, please.
Cheese.
Fish and chips.
We're immortalised forever.
Yeah, don't move. One more, please. Wonky, wonky. Wonky, is it wonky?
What?
Wonky expression. Okay. Wonky, wonky, I mean wonky. The Lego there. M&M's. Huge shop of M&M's here. Look at this plaque. Okay. We are in Leicester. How can you say it? Leicester Square.
No, not Leicester Square. Leicester Square.
Oh, that's it. Repeat again. It's hard to pronounce, you know.
Well.
Let's look at the Mary Poppins. Oh, you see that? Let's take a photo with Mary Poppins. Okay, that's the Odeon Cinema. We've been there. Mary Poppins over there. She's flying with her umbrella. Look at that place over there. Very nice, no? Okay, let's go. I never have a photo of that. Who's that? William Shakespeare. Siya pala yan, si William Shakespeare. This enclosure was purchased, laid out, and decorated as garden by Albert Grant.
It's no dark.
Sorry. Okay. Now we're going here. You know where we're going? You know where I'm going. I show you where I'm going. Very nice here, not London. And you know what? I really can't pronounce the Leicester.
What?
Leicester.
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 Square.
Leicester. Okay. Leicester Square. Here. So, you know where we're going? I'll show you where we're going. Dun 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 dun. They don't know. They don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, look at the bunny.
Oh yeah, so funny.
The second franchise here in London. Here in Leicester Square. Hello. Hello po. Haircuts to begin. Look what they're gonna have here. Okay. Ay, Duncan, you better try this one. It's really nice. Mm.
Jollibee is one of the Filipinos' pride that is very popular food chain in the Philippines. Jollibee is well known for their Chicken Joy fried chicken, Jolly spaghetti, peach mango pie, and now they add the ube buko pie and ube sundae. Here in the UK, they started in Earl's Court year 2018 where we eat the last time we visited London. Now here in Leicester Square is the second Jollibee outlet. Jollibee is rapidly expanding here in UK. There are 11 more outlets all over UK as of today, and they are still expanding. In Spain, where I live, the first is in Madrid, where you can watch in my other video. You can see the link in the description down below.
B U
No, oh.
O D
You. R.I. There's a novel in the Philippines.
A R Gorduri.
Yeah.
Lives in London.
Yeah.
So I've got Anna as a friend in a way. I want to message her, don't I?
This is what I really miss in the Philippines. That's why if I find that there's a Jollibee in the area, I really go in there.
I'm gonna finish this, huh? I don't want to show it. So they have this ube pie, you see? Very nice, eh? With coconut milk. Wanna try the ice cream? Very nice. Very nice. This one too.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang punta. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag kita ang saya. Dito tayo, mas delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, jokes delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, thanks. It's gloomy here in UK, yeah? What is that? It's not that one?
Huh?
It's not that one, the Chinatown, because...
Yeah.
Okay.
Saw the end of it as we come up there, didn't we?
You see that my mouth smoke when I breath. Okay.